Okay, here's my review of the Wago City logging truck. 228 pieces, set number 60059, aged 512, which I think cities for any age over 4, any age over 5 cities 5 to any age. Back to the box. Some people say they don't care about the packaging, but I always do. The airport fire truck right there, and this one I got right there. And there's tomorrow, and that will be the next day right there. And then I'll probably do some police then. Here's the instructions, and look, there's the police. Right there. Right there. And there's the robber's hideout right there. No, it's not robber's hideout. I don't know where that is. It doesn't look like it's in here right now. There's the helicopter, and there's the hideout for the helicopter. The police station has 10 bags. Just seen it online. Okay, there it is. Now here's the first minifigure. He looks like he's cutting down trees because he has the headphones and goggles on for safety. And, oh, here's the guy that's like operating the thing. He goes right here. And there's the log in there. And then there's this, I don't know how to get it like on the logs, but here's an example of how to do it. I put my hand in there. And this is like sort of a jail piece for the prisoners so they don't get out. There's stickers. The inside is coffee cup, of course. Just yeah. The back looks pretty nice, really nice. Here looks nice. Here's the front of the instructions. The back. This. Alright, well. Here's my great vehicles for 2014. It's pretty much as long as the airport fire truck, but the airport fire truck's much bigger. Okay, and I'm gonna pick tomorrow's out. And tomorrow will be the SUV with the autocraft. And then the next day will be the monster truck. I'm doing one a day so I can have more fun. And check out my advent calendar videos. Here is today's. And subscribe for daily updates of my Wago throughout this month and throughout January. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. Bye.